Kamanghamangang halimaw, umiikot, walang buntot. So these are Bugtong Gaptek for July 29. So medyo something na kamangha-mangha ay yung clue natin kasi kamanghamangang halimaw, umiikot, walang buntot. So walang buntot can be our deletion indicator. Yung walang buntot kasi yung mukha, yung face, yung ulo, it can pertain as yung first letter selection indicator. Pero yung buntot can be our last letter selection indicator. So, walang buntot can be a deletion indicator, and then yung umiikot can be our anagram indicator kasi iikutin natin yung word para mahanap natin yung word. And then yung halimaw can be our father. So, yung kamangha-mangha is our definition. So, yung halimaw, pero wala siyang buntot, walang W kasi wala na yung idinilit natin yung last letter. Halima, pag inikot-ikot natin, we will get the word. The word synonyms to kamangha-mangha is himala. Himala or kamangha-mangha. Let's check this one. See you tomorrow.